All right, let's talk about what we're expecting over the weekend. Before we can get to that, Marielle, we have a little hurdle to get through, and that comes later on this afternoon.
Absolutely. You have to just pay attention this afternoon,
Yeah.
especially if you have any outdoor plans. Let's go ahead and take a look at that severe weather outlook. It keeps getting adjusted here, and it looks like it was just adjusted within the last minute because that one is kind of a little off, but I'll talk you through it. We are seeing a slight risk for severe weather. Storm Predictor Center keeps kind of minimizing that window for the slight risk. It's a level 2 out of 5 for the scattered severe storms. That means that not everyone sees this threat. Damaging winds and large hail will be the main concern with a front that moves throughout the afternoon hours. So again, that marginal risk does include portions of Wise County. That's a level 1. It includes areas closer towards Gainesville and across the Red River there. On the other side of Athens is where we have that marginal risk again. But the cold front goes through this area between 4 and about 7 or 8, which also happens to be the warmest part of the day. That's why we're going to see the biggest risk there. And the risk, again, it's on the lower end. But let's go ahead and talk timing of it all. Like I mentioned, between 4, 5, we'll start to see some of this activity pop up. We may even see a few showers before then, but I think the thunderstorms hold off until about 4 or 5. And we'll start to see them, Denton County, call in towards the Red River there. This is around 4. I'm going to take you to 5 now. Around 5, that front starts to approach a little bit closer here. We're going to see some of that activity across the Metroplex. Now about 6, we start to see more thunderstorm activity across Dallas, Fort Worth. That extends to Paris, Sulphur Springs, Greenville, and even towards Meridian and Hamilton. I'm going to take you to 7 now. Around 7, the front starts to push into DFW. The storms start pushing southeast of DFW. And again, that's where that window is, between 5 and about 7 or 8. After that, the storms mainly push south, and that's where the severe threat will be. But as soon as that front clears Dallas, Fort Worth, which will be after 9 or 10, we'll start to see that the threat really does lower. We might still see a few lingering thunderstorms after that, and it stays pretty cloudy overnight. So again, it's just a small window this afternoon where we see that potential for some strong to severe storms. We saw some very light rain early on today. It was all part of a cluster of thunderstorms that did move through portions of Oklahoma. The outflows from those storms helped pop up a few showers in North Texas, and that's where all of that activity came from here early on, but that's all cleared out. Our Denton camera showing about 85 degrees. We're seeing a mostly blue sky out there. Winds are kicking up a little bit more this afternoon. South winds about 10, 20 miles per hour is what we're expecting throughout the rest of the day. That south wind, by the way, is the reason why it's warmer. It's also the reason why it feels more muggy out. Our dew points are a little higher. So 87 right now, feeling like 89. We're talking about a heat index already. And this afternoon, temperature still climbs a bit more. I'm thinking about 90 degrees for Dallas, 91 in Fort Worth. Not quite as warm for our northwestern counties, and that's because that front arrives in those locations a little sooner. Our eastern counties, I'm still thinking we may get into the low 90s this afternoon. So over the next 3 days, that includes your weekend, look at the temperature difference. The front clears the area late today. We'll see the benefits tomorrow. I think Saturday we'll start out with some cloud cover. By the afternoon, we'll see a little bit more of that sunshine. Temperature only in the upper 70s. It'll be less humid as well. About 80 degrees on Sunday. We're going to see a little more cloud cover on Sunday, but the rain should stay away until Tuesday of next week. We're also going to notice our temperatures climbing middle part of next week. We get to near 90 degrees again Friday and next weekend.